Have you ever wanted or attempted to place a thumbnail on your YouTube shorts? Where if you've had a problem with that, or you've never tried it, or you didn't know how to do it, I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, these are images on my phone as I pull up the YouTube app. And basically all I'm going to do is just scroll through these screens when you pull up this app on your phone, because the goal here is to change your thumbnails or your thumbnail on the YouTube shorts. All right, I'm going to show you how to do this. So when you see this screen here, when you pull it up on your YouTube app, and I'm on an Android, by the way, you come down to the lower right and click this image. This should be the image for your channel. All right, and I'm going to move to the next one. The next screen, you scroll down, and you'll see about halfway down your videos here. Then you move to the next screen, and you see these three dots right here. These three dots. You want to click these three dots. And then the next screen, you will see, or on this same page, I think it's on this same page, when you click these three dots, you'll come down and you see edit. You will see edit here, so you want to click edit. Then the next screen, you're going to see this pencil right here. See this pencil? You want to click that. You're almost there. And then when you get to that pencil right down here at the bottom, these are all of your clips from this video. You click the particular video that you would like to be your thumbnail for your short, your thumbnail. Then you come up here, you click this X, and it will gray itself out. And then click this X, and you're done. I apologize, I did call this symbol here an X. This is a check. So you should click this check, and it will turn gray. And then you click this X right here to exit from this page. So there you have it. If this is something that you had wanted to do in the past, you can now do it and add a thumbnail to any of your shorts. You can go back to any of your short videos now and change the thumbnail. You never know what that will possibly do for you. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel or this video. Take care.